No, that's
But we are in the Narwa part of Diwar.
we are in the Narwa part of Diwar, and you can see
Narwa.
the river over there from where we came in the boat. And these are the fish ponds that Daryl has created. It's wonderful, and this is a proper road. What is the width of this road, Daryl? Yeah.
About 9 meters.
9
But
meters,
I must say
and
8 because of the trees.
I think comfortably a vehicle also can travel on
That's
this.
when we bring out
And these are the prawns.
these are the
This is the prawn ponds that he is cultivating prawns over here. And the boundary of this property is exactly those coconut trees.
big
It's a
coconut.
huge piece of property. And this coconut trees, when I come here last time, were just planted as saplings, and they are today grown well.
All
So you see those small ponds, not small, they are very large ponds. This is all prawns cultivation, and that is the boundary. The mountain is the boundary of this particular property, and all those big coconut trees are a boundary. So one side there is a village of only 150 people connected to this property, and the other side, this entire property is having water from the river, which ultimately goes and merges into Mandavi River, which ultimately goes and merges into the sea.
Arabian Sea.
So you can see the sea behind, and this boundary is of the plot in which Daryl has created 4 feet deep water for cultivating fish. So this is a wonderful experience. And over here you can see the property going on right till the back, those trees. That is the boundary of this property. So it's a completely 28 acre
Over
property.
there where the light pole is in the shade.
Yeah,
Is a
that
floating platform jetty.
is the platform jetty.
So you can
Fantastic.
bring yachts and anchor.
And there is a hill just behind the river over there.
This is the road that goes to Picholi, to the mines, Amuna, everywhere. You can go up another 1 hour
Okay.
and you can go all the way and meet up with the spice plantation, have lunch there.
Fantastic, fantastic. So this is a tourist destination. A lot of fish cultivation is happening on this particular plot by Daryl. Very intelligently brings in the sea water for the cultivation, the water as much as he wants, and then he closes the gates, and then the proper fish cultivation takes place over here. So this is another boundary where the coconut trees are, and behind those coconut trees you can see those small little houses. Those small little houses is a small village hamlet here of only 150 people.
About 25 of them we employ in the works here.
Out of which around 25 people work on this field, this fish field of 28 acres. So there is agriculture happening on this fish farm as well as fishing. So houses can be made here. The floating houses can be
houses
made here
in the water.
in this area
Yeah.
of the
All
land.
along from there.
And the view that can be seen is this view as well as this view. And this particular road can service those houses. So this is a beautiful idea, and this each house will be around 360 square feet carpet area, and the view, they can sit in their house on the balcony and learn how to fish or teach the children fishing. At the same time, since this is shallow water of only 3.5-4 feet, the children can go boating or swimming or whatever that is needed. At the same time, you can sit in the balcony of the house and do a lot of fishing, which can definitely be pretty exciting. So we are on Diwar Islands. This is Agnolo Rajesh in Goa. Bye for now.